we have adopted new hygiene methods for our family as well as ourselves. Like sanitizing our hands as soon as we get home, washing our hands and face to make sure all the germs are washed away, and cleaning all packages that are brought from outside. But what about the clothes we wear while doing all of this? Are we forgetting something important? There are so many germs and allergens around us that cling to our clothes. And as a mom, I naturally want to keep my family protected at all times. And whichever method we use to wash our clothes, it's not enough because it does not guarantee that the bacteria and the germs and allergens are removed. So while we are currently focusing on cleaner surroundings, we thought it was the perfect time to get a washing machine that helped sanitize what we wore. I am happy that we came across the Whirlpool top load washing machine with an inbuilt heater because it has an antibacterial wash cycle heating up to 60 degrees centigrade. This in turn removes up to 99.9% germs and allergens and even customizes hot water modes for different fabric types. With Whirlpool, sanitize what you wear.